How to enable or disable color correction on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After you click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After you click on VN enhancement, color correction is here. Click on color correction. If you want to enable color correction, so turn off this button. After turn on this button, color correction is enabled. If you want to disable color correction, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, color correction is disabled. You will enable or disable color correction from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.